That's what we're looking for right there.
Ice, ice, baby. Stone crab and blues.
I left home at 14 years old. When the day my daddy asked me on my birthday, he asked me if I thought I was a man. And I screwed up and said yes. He told me to pack my and move out because there was only room for one at his house. There we go. Blue crabbing is very fast paced. On a good day, we can pull 750, 800 crab pots. But on a good day crabbing, an exceptionally good day, we can have 5,000 pound of blue crab.
The blue crab fishery is one of the most valuable in Florida, averaging $7.5 million and over 85 million pounds every year.
That's where the majority of our business has come from, is blue crabbing. Last year we were in the area of 2 million pounds.
Feed the people. Crabbing and I love it. All my life.
This crab right here is mating with the other one. They are hooked up. This male crab lays on top of her just like that. While she's in the soft shell state, he's protecting her. This crab here we'll put back because she's not quite there.
In order to shed its shell, the blue crab forms an inner soft shell underneath, breaks free from its hard shell, and slowly crawls out. At this point, and only for a few hours, it's known as a soft shell crab.
Soft shell crabs are one of the most sought after crabs. It's a delicacy. People love them. You fry the whole crab, you eat everything. The shell, everything in that crab.
With all the traps baited and relocated, Tom and Hippie head in to wait out the storm.
I love it. Thank you very much.